Aim to find the specific heat of a given solid. To perform this activity, required materials are calorimeter, stirrer, electric stove, thermometer, water, electric scale, and few lead shots. Procedure: put the stirrer inside of the calorimeter. Now put the calorimeter along stirrer on the electronic scale. Measure the mass of calorimeter along with stirrer. Mass of the calorimeter along with stirrer is m1. Now fill 1/3 of the volume of calorimeter with water. Again put the calorimeter along water on the electronic scale. Measure the mass of the calorimeter along with water. Mass of the calorimeter along water is m2. Now mass of the water is m2 minus m1. Measure the temperature of the water in calorimeter by placing the thermometer. The temperature of the water is T1. Note: calorimeter and water are at same temperature. Now take few lead shots and place them in hot water. Place the thermometer inside the hot water. Heat the lead shots up to 100 degrees Celsius as shown on the thermometer. Let this temperature is T2. Now transfer the hot lead shots quickly into the calorimeter and stir the water with stirrer. After some time, you will notice that the mixture settles to a certain temperature. Measure this temperature is T3. Now put the calorimeter along with water and lead shots on the electric scale. Now measure the mass of the calorimeter plus its content. Mass of the calorimeter with contents is m3. So mass of the lead shots is m3 minus m2. Let the specific heat of calorimeter is Sc. The specific heat of lead shots is Sl, and the specific heat of water is Sw. According to this method of mixtures, we understood that heat lost by solid is equal to heat gained by calorimeter plus heat gained by water. So the formula is as shown in the screen. Knowing the specific heat of calorimeter and water, we can calculate the specific heat of solid, that is lead shots.